Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare copper versus fiber cable. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which is better for your needs. Copper cables offer a cost-effective solution for many networks, especially over shorter distances. They are simpler to install and maintain, often requiring less specialized equipment. Plus, copper's ability to carry electrical power alongside data is a significant advantage for devices like IP cameras and wireless access points. Now, let's look at the impressive capabilities of fiber optic cables. Fiber transmits data as light, allowing for incredibly fast speeds and massive bandwidth, far exceeding copper's limits. This makes it ideal for high-demand applications and future-proofing your network. Furthermore, fiber is immune to electromagnetic interference, ensuring a clean, reliable signal even in electrically noisy environments. It's also much more secure, as it doesn't emit signals that can be easily tapped. When choosing between copper and fiber, consider the practical differences. Copper Ethernet cables are limited to about 100 meters for reliable data transmission. Fiber, however, can carry data for several kilometers without signal degradation, making it perfect for campus-wide or city-wide networks. While fiber offers superior performance, its initial installation costs, including specialized equipment and skilled technicians, are generally higher than copper's. Your specific application and budget will guide your decision. So, which cable is better? For most standard office environments, local area networks, and powering devices, copper remains a practical and economical choice. But for high-speed backbones, data centers, or any application requiring long distances and maximum bandwidth, fiber optic cable is the clear winner. It's an investment in speed, reliability, and future scalability. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.